Hello, and welcome to another episode of, I don't know, I haven't come on board with a name yet. Anyways, on this episode of Unknown Show, if you are having problems with printing and you have ink cartridges like this, when you print, well, you print a lot and then you don't print, the ink will dry right here, and then when you go and print, it won't print the right colors, or black won't print out or anything. So one way, right, you can go into the printer properties, run the cleaning cycle, and print a test page out. But also you can get a cloth, soft cloth, and if you just wipe it here, and you can have it a damp cloth too. Right there, and just wipe it. Like that. And you can see that it leaves the ink, because that silver, that middle part there, right there, is where the ink comes out. So you don't want to wipe it too many times, but just make sure the ink is clean. These are clean around there, but it should be clean. And you can do the same thing with the black. And if you can see that right here and there, it has a little, that's where the ink is, and you can just clean that. Yeah, and you can see that it's all clean. Camera does not focus. You can see it's clean now. And you keep wiping, it's going to leave ink, because that's where the ink comes out. But that's about it of how to clean a print cartridge. So, hope that works, and if not, then I have no idea what else to do. Try another, you could try the ink in another printer and see if that will work. If not, if the ink does work, then you know it's the printer. That's the printing tip, and stay tuned for next episode. Who knows what? See ya.